Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 16x7 garage doors is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your home, impacting both its functionality and curb appeal. This video will guide you through understanding the price range for 16x7 garage doors, helping you find the perfect balance of quality, features, and budget, so you can make an informed decision and get the most out of your garage. Number 5. UnBugs Garage Screen Door. Say goodbye to pesky insects. This screen door lets fresh air in while keeping bugs out, so you can enjoy your garage space comfortably. It's designed to fit most double garage doors up to 16 feet wide and 7 feet tall. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary hardware included. With 28 powerful magnets, it closes automatically, keeping bugs out even when your hands are full. No more struggling with doors. Made from heavy-duty, fiberglass reinforced mesh, it's built to last for years. Enjoy it season after season. Transform your garage into a bug-free party space, workshop, or home gym. The possibilities are endless. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a lifetime replacement policy. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts a unique self-closing feature, thanks to its powerful magnets. This is perfect if you're always juggling things and need hands-free convenience. If you value ease of use in a bug-free environment, this is the ideal choice for you. It's a must-have for those who want to enjoy a fresh breeze without the hassle of constantly opening and closing the door. What people say. It is a bit narrow for the door on which I need it. The glue holding the Velcro strips onto the door frame is strong, and there is plenty of extra of the Velcro strip to replace any pieces that fall away over time. It arrived in 2 days with my Prime shipping. Following the instructions provided, I did a quick eyeball check for fit on my door. The screen was a couple inches taller than the door itself and looked to be just wide enough. I attached the mating Velcro to the half that was sewn into the screen. After doing a quick wipe down of the door frame to clean off dirt, I began attaching the screen to the door. Exactly what I was looking for. I like that the netting doesn't prevent a good view out the window like some other versions of this kind of product do. It's very lightweight. Extremely easy installation. Adhesion of the Velcro seems fairly good right now, but not sure how it will hold up. Magnetic closure in the middle is great and quick. Number 4. Garage Door Screen 16x7 feet. This innovative screen is designed to transform your garage. It keeps out pests and debris while letting in fresh air, creating a comfortable space. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the included hook and loop strips and push pins to secure it in minutes. It's that easy. Made from premium fiberglass, it's tear-resistant, fireproof, and built to last. The reinforced edges ensure it withstands daily use. The strong magnetic closure and weighted bottom provide excellent wind resistance. You and your pets can easily pass through it. It's perfect for 2-car garages up to 16x7 feet. It can also be used in various locations, from patios to balconies. Keep annoying animals and dust out while enjoying a refreshing breeze in your garage. It's the perfect solution for a comfortable and clean garage. What we like. This one stands out with its weighted bottom, ensuring it stays put even in windy conditions. Installation is a breeze, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you prioritize a sturdy, long-lasting screen that's simple to set up, this is for you. It's a great option for those who want a hassle-free installation and a screen that can withstand the elements. What people say. Installation was a breeze, and it covers the entire garage door area perfectly. The clever magnetic door slot allows for easy access in and out while keeping bugs at bay. Magnets are strong, great airflow, very strong and durable, screen is see-through and strong. It's heavy, hangs well, has great magnetic closure and doesn't obstruct the view. It was so easy to install. Number 3. Garage Door Screen 15x7 feet. It keeps out pesky animals and brightens your garage. It seals completely, preventing debris and leaves from entering, creating a clean and comfortable space. It features strong magnets and weighted bottom for a secure closure. You and your pets can easily walk through it, even in windy conditions. Installation takes minutes using the included hook and loop strips and push pins. It's retractable and easy to store away when not in use. Made from durable, tear-resistant, and fireproof fiberglass mesh. Reinforced edges ensure it lasts for years to come. It fits garages up to 15 by 7 feet. It's versatile and can be used in various locations, not just garages. This screen turns your garage into a usable living space, keeping out unwanted pests and elements. Enjoy the fresh air without the hassle. What we like. It features a strong magnetic closure and is incredibly easy to install. The durable fiberglass material ensures it will last for years to come. If you need a simple, durable, and easy-to-install screen, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a no-fuss solution that's both effective and long-lasting. What people say. Installation was a breeze, and it covers the entire garage door area perfectly. The clever magnetic door slot allows for easy access in and out while keeping bugs at bay. Magnets are strong, great airflow, very strong and durable, screen is see-through and strong. It's heavy, hangs well, has great magnetic closure and doesn't obstruct the view. It was so easy to install. Number 2. LOOBANI Garage Screen Door. It fits various door sizes, perfect for your 16 by 8 foot garage or any other entrance. Enjoy comfort and convenience wherever you need it. The high-density design ensures optimal airflow. Keep your garage well ventilated and comfortable. Strong magnets provide a secure seal, keeping out unwanted guests while still allowing easy access for you and your pets. Its durable design stands up to strong winds, providing stability and peace of mind. With Velcro and pushpins, setup is a breeze. It's also foldable for easy storage during the off-season. Keep your garage cool and bug-free with this easy-to-use screen door. It's the perfect solution for a comfortable summer. What we like. Its versatile design fits various door sizes, offering great flexibility. Installation is quick and easy, and the strong magnets ensure a secure seal. If you need a screen that's adaptable to different spaces and easy to install, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value convenience and a customizable fit. What people say. The screen material is a tighter weave, making it far superior for keeping out not only bugs, but debris like pine needles and leaves. Every other screen let the softest of a breeze lift the bottom and let all the dirt in. This screen keeps itself in place with gentle breezes. The magnets in this one are the best I have found as well. The magnets are stronger than in most, there are more and they are built into screen, not just attached onto it. Adhesiveness worked, ease of opening is great, even the pets know how to get in and out. It definitely helped keep the bugs out and can now enjoy sitting outdoors. Stability phenomenal overall. Number 1. NASA Tech Garage Door Kit. This innovative kit is designed to transform your garage. It's perfect for enhancing both insulation and soundproofing. It utilizes a reflective foam core to maximize energy efficiency. This helps keep your garage comfortable year-round. It's designed to fit standard 18 feet wide by 8 feet high garage doors. It also fits 18 feet wide by 7 feet high doors. The kit features improved, heavy-duty double-sided tape for a secure and simple installation. No special tools are needed. It's made from durable polyurethane foam core, ensuring long-lasting performance and quality. You can trust in its superior construction. With an impressive R-value of 8.0, it provides superior insulation, keeping your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Reduce noise pollution and create a more peaceful environment. It effectively dampens outside sounds. What we like. This isn't a screen, but an insulation kit that offers superior reflective properties to keep your garage cool in summer and warm in winter. It also provides excellent soundproofing. If you're looking to improve the comfort and energy efficiency of your garage, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for those who want a quieter, more climate-controlled garage space. What people say. It was easy to install, house temperature over garage greatly improved. After installation of the USA product, the same heater easily and quickly got the garage to 80+ F, with virtually no air movement inside the garage. The garage is definitely warmer. We have a radiant heater in the garage which now keeps up with cold weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.